So here's an old uncertified Fisher wood stove. It has a 7-inch single wall stovepipe and it needs to be cleaned. So we're going to use a specialized chimney tool. I mean, obviously that's just a power drill, but it's hooked up to a rotary rod. So it's going to make a whole lot of noise, and it's also going to make a pretty significant mess. And that's why you do this outside. Obviously a little bit spilled over off the drop sheet, not a big deal, just clean that up. Yeah, pretty dirty. Then you climb up on the roof and you have a look at the chimney. This is an 8x8 clay flue tile and a masonry chimney, completely full of creosote. So it's important to note that you wouldn't be able to see this from the ground. That is why it's so important to hire a chimney professional at least once a year. If you're burning as a main source of heat, burning wood that is, maybe call them a couple times, at least once right in the middle of the heating season, just to make sure that everything's okay, so that you don't miss all this creosote buildup. See a large crack on the left there. We're about 4 feet down from the top, so at 6 feet down here, you can see that there is significant damage to this clay liner, and at this point it's no longer safe to use this wood stove. Something needs to be done with this liner, whether you take the masonry chimney down and rebuild it with new tiles, which is obviously quite expensive, but there is a cheaper option, which is relining this chimney. So you just drop a stainless steel liner down here, preferably insulated. In some jurisdictions and municipalities it has to be insulated, but that's better for the draft anyways, just better function. So go ahead, if you like the video, to actually click like and then subscribe. Thank you.